Jeep's Uconnect system manages navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. When issues arise, resets can help. A reboot or soft reset restarts the system without data loss. It's ideal for minor glitches like freezes. A factory reset wipes all user data and restores defaults. This is useful for more serious problems. Ensure your vehicle is in park before performing any reset. Regular reboots can prevent memory leaks and maintain system performance. Note that as of September 2025, issues persist, and Stellantis provides extended diagnostic services until 2026 for older models. If your Uconnect touchscreen isn't working, diagnostics can reveal software bugs, hardware failures, or interference. Ensure your vehicle is in park, disconnect any unnecessary power sources, and use official Jeep apps or dealer tools for verification. Touchscreen problems often stem from outdated firmware or electrical shorts. Extreme temperatures can also cause issues. For a hard reset, disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes can sometimes resolve the problem. Automotive experts consider resets a temporary fix and recommend annual software updates. Many users have found success with DIY factory resets using recovery tools shared on forums, potentially saving repair costs. If you have a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a common problem was solved by using a USB drive to perform a factory reset. If problems persist, contact your local Jeep service center.